If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where we are solving previous year Tripura University questions for diploma first year on inverse trigonometry. So in this lecture we will be solving 5 questions from question number 1 to 5. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, in question number it is asked that show that this is equal to pi by 4. So tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 3. So if I start with my LHS, so there is a formula tan inverse. This is tan A plus tan B formula. You remember that formula. With that your notion you can remember. So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. For basic level you don't need to remember the critical point, that is xy should be greater than 1 less than 1. That things are not required for basic level. So it is 6, then it will be 5 by, it will be 6 minus 1, that will be, so 5 by 6, 5 by 6. So tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4. So it is proved. Again here same formula you can apply, tan inverse tan A plus tan B. So the same formula, A plus B by 1 minus AB. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So this tan inverse you can send this that side. So it will be 10 pi by 4. And denominator if you do LCM, it will be x plus 2 into x minus 1 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x. So these you can cancel in basic level. There is no required because x cannot be 2, x cannot be minus 2. This should be there in the question. The question itself, it is not mentioned that it is not, they are not going so deep. So it is basic level only. Otherwise they could have mentioned x should not be equal to 2, x should not be equal to minus 2. So though they are not mentioning also, you can also cancel. It will be x square plus this if your product plus x minus 2 plus x square minus x minus 2 is equal to, and numerator it will be x square, I am going to going that side, x square minus 4 minus x square. Finally we will get it 2x square minus 4 is also gone, 2x square is gone. So it will be plus 1, or x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Again you will not take minus, because if you see the formulas of this one tan inverse, what was the formula? X should be greater than 0, y should be greater than 0. So because you are applying this formula, so your x should be greater than 0, therefore you will say x is equal to 1 by root 2. As you can write x is greater than 0. To apply this formula you need x greater than 0. Because you have applied this one, that means your x should be always greater than 0. Now if you come to third one, so again what is the formula? Sin A minus B. So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So this is your actually sin A. Let sin inverse x by under root 1 plus x square is equal to A, which implies sin A is equal to x by under root 1 plus x square. So therefore you calculate your cos A. This will be 1 minus sin square A. So if you do 1 minus x square by this square 1 plus x square, so it will be 1 by under root 1 plus x square. Similarly, let sin inverse 1 by under root 1 plus x square is equal to B. So your sin B will be equal to 1 by under root 1 plus x square. Therefore your cos B is equal to same. So 1 will get cancelled, you will get this one. Now you apply. Therefore this formula you can apply, sin inverse sin A cos B. So sin A cos B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, cos A sin B. Remember in this way, that will be easy for you. So you can think of, you have taken sin both sides. So sin and sin inverse get cancelled. So ultimately what you will left with, this will be x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square, because this into this will be 1 plus x square, and if you do LCM it is x square minus 1. Again you can cancel it out, 1 plus x square, so x square minus 1 is equal to x plus 1, or if you factorize it, it is x minus 2. Again for this formula also x should be greater than 0. Now we know x should be greater than 0. Let x is greater than 0, you can directly solve it. Let x is greater than 0, then you apply this formula. So therefore your x is equal to 2, because you have already considered x greater than 0, then only you can apply this formula. Next in question number 4, to find the principal value of tan inverse root 3. So for tan, what is the principal value? And it is in first quadrant, so no need to think. What is the tan 30? Tan 60 is root 3. So tan inverse root 3 will be equal to tan 60, that is pi by 3. Or you can write it in 60 degree or pi by 3. So this is answer. For tan, these two quadrant you should answer. For positive value root 3 you should answer, give answer here. For negative value you should give answer here. Here it is positive. For all inverse, positive is always first quadrant, because we have never left first quadrant, because it is our oldest Li. So you never cheat your oldest Li. So first quadrant is always there for all inverse function. Next if you come fifth one, so this one you have to show. LHS I am starting this one. So if you can change this one to 10, so tan inverse A, tan inverse B, you can apply the formula. So for to do that one, what I am doing, let this is theta. So therefore your cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. One can do it using right angle triangle also, because if this is theta, what is cos theta? This is 4, this is 5. So what will be this one? 5 square minus 4 square, that is 3. So what will be tan theta? So from the triangle also you can do this one 3 by 4. But you can do it in using your formulas, because sin theta will be 1 minus cos square theta. So it will be 3 by 5. So tan theta will be sin theta by cos theta. So it will be 3 by 5 by 3 by 4. 3 by 5, 3 by 5 by 4 by 4. So it is 3 by 4. So what is your theta? Theta equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. So you have considered this one theta. So your theta becoming tan inverse 3 by 4. So you apply both tan inverse now. Tan inverse 3 by 5 plus tan inverse 3 by 4. Therefore your LHS will become, because you have considered this one theta, now theta you have converted into tan inverse. Now what is the formula for this one? This will be equal to tan inverse tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So it will be 20, then 5, 12, 15, 20 again LCM I am not doing, 20 minus 9, 11. So it will be tan inverse 27 out of 11. So that is your RHS proved. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.